so welcome back to another video. This video will be my top 5 favorite concealers. So let's get started. This one from Maybelline. This one is the Super Stay Better Skin from Maybelline, and I have it in 2 shades. This one is in the shade medium to deep and light medium. Super thin yung consistency niya. I'll show you guys this one. Swatch. And it comes with the doe foot applicator. Yung only downside na hindi ko nagustuhan is the smell. It's very chemically lang. Yun lang yun. But the coverage, sobrang ganda, bes. If gusto niyo ng like no makeup look, this concealer will do the trick. I'm just gonna try and blend. Yan. Hindi siya like full coverage though. I can't say na it's full coverage kasi sobrang thin nga niya. But it does cover. It can cover little bit of pigmentation, but still I love this one. I love mixing this one with my Fit Me concealer. This item, this one is new, but still umabot siya sa aking top 5 favorite concealer. This one is the Cover Perfection Tip Concealer from Siam Atato. I'm not sure how to pronounce that one though. Siam. It's a Korean brand. It's full coverage. I'm actually wearing it now. It's full coverage. Still, I did not get any cakiness. It's very creamy. Hindi pa siya nagsiset sa aking ano yan, fine lines, which is amazing. Kahit sobrang dami nang nilagay ko. Ito yung pinaka full coverage concealer na meron ako ngayon. I have it in 2 shades pala, which is in the shade number 1.5 and 2. Ito yung sunod sa darkest shade. So, i-blend ko siya. If ayaw nyo ng super thick concealer for your under eye, I suggest not using this one. This one will best work for blemishes like pimples, redness, and spots, dark spots, whatsoever. But for me, I really like using it sa under eye. This one is from Maybelline. This is the Fit Me concealer, and I have it in 2 shades. I really like this concealer, man. Sobrang ganda niya. A bit dewy. I have it in the shade medium and fair. It's really nice to mix this two para makuha yung shade na gusto nyo. I'm just gonna swatch this one for you. This one I like using sa under eye mixed with the fair one or mixed with the Fit Me Better Skin Concealer. Kasi yan. It's a bit dewy but it does cover really great. Medyo ano siya, hindi siya masyadong thick yung consistency niya. Which is amazing din kasi hindi talaga ako nagkakaroon ng cake face dito. Pero na lang if mali yung pagkaka-blend ko or hindi ko siya naset agad yung concealer. Lahat pala ng concealer na to, I use a sponge to blend because that's my preference lang. And hindi ako nagkakaroon ng cake face if I use a sponge. Next item is the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. Unfortunately, wala siya sa akin because nawala siya. It's really full coverage. Like, gusto niyo ng mga concealer na full coverage na magka-cover talaga siya. I really suggest that concealer. Sobrang ganda niya. Only downside, it's too expensive for everyday makeup. My top 1 favorite concealer, I think alam niyo na. Can you guess it? Put it sa comment box below if na-guess nyo. Top 1 is of course the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Super duper ganda din ng concealer na to. This one is in the shade medium. I like it in the shade medium kasi perfect shade lang siya para sa akin. Lalo na for everyday. I use this a lot sa everyday. I do recommend this one. This one is much more expensive though sa ibang mga products na nandito. This one is like, magkano na to? 490. But the coverage though is amazing. I'm gonna swatch it. Hindi masyadong makikita yan because it's my skin tone. Parang skin tone ko lang, but sobrang full coverage niya. And hindi din nagkikik sa akin. What's your favorite concealer sa mga concealer na na-share ko today? If you have one, comment below. So yun, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy watching. And please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!